Tokyo Olympics have just been completed. Just before going for the competition, swimmers do the full body shaving. By doing that, in addition to many other benefits, it helps them in reducing the drag, which helps them in improving their performance. In terms of time, this performance improvement could be as low as 1/100th of a second. Now your question would be, what? Do they do it just for 1/100th of a second? To succeed in any competition, you need to take the maximum advantage of the rules which are allowed, be it Olympics or be it quality certification exam. If an exam allows you to take books in the exam, then you must take books in the exam. If the exam allows you to take an advanced calculator in the exam, then why should you take a basic calculator in the exam and spend a lot of time in doing those calculations manually? ASQ and IASSC allow you to take a non-programmable calculator in the exam. That doesn't mean that you need to take a very basic calculator. You can even take a scientific calculator in the exam. By using a scientific calculator, you can do many calculations much faster. These could be descriptive statistics problem, these could be regression problems, or these could be the normal distribution problems. Using a scientific calculator, you can do them much faster, much easier, without even having a need to look at the formula. This course is specifically designed for this purpose. In this, I will explain Casio FX991MS calculator, and I will explain each of the functions which you might require in your ASQ or IASSC exam. Remember that most of the people fail in these exams just by a few questions. It's not that people go to these exams without preparation. Everyone prepares for the exam, does well in the exam. So they just fail because of a few questions. Getting additional 2 to 3 questions right could help you cross that line. So with this introduction, I invite you to this course. Enroll in this course and I will see you inside the course.